I'm Ty with WTI, and these are the Butterfinger Bites chocolate bite-sized peanut butter candy. It comes in this 3.5 ounce box, and what I like about this particular one is that this is like a movie theater box. So whenever we are getting settled for a movie night, or we usually buy this kind of boxed candy. And also when we have our friends over, these are good ones to buy so that everyone can have their own individual box. These are little bite-sized pieces, so they're really fun to eat, but we also love putting these in our blender, and then you can put it on top of some ice cream, and it's really good. And that's my point of view.